Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you are a returning viewer, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you receive daily updates whenever I release a video. I release videos daily about crypto arbitrage trading. So if you are in this channel, then you are in the best channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the arbitrage trading coins and the mistakes that we normally do. Whenever I do a video, you see that I mentioned that if you find a coin that have separate network address, you shouldn't do your arbitrage. Yeah, and I found one, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you to see. Wow, it is how the network I've been talking about, how these networks look like. Okay, I've taken upon myself to make sure that we also make something small from our capital. I have dedicated myself to provide the necessary information that is required, that we are required to make crypto arbitrage trading successful. So you can see that this coin GX is selling at 38 on this platform, and when you come here you can see that it is selling at 740.78 and you can see that here it's even on negative. So if you are using the limit order to sell, it may even go to positive, which means the price will be more than what you think and will be even make more profit. Okay, so today I'm going to use this coin to demonstrate. So let me see, if we buy, how much are we going to make? So let's say I am using $50 to do this estimate. So I buy my $50 coin, so, and I go back to this platform. When I go back, I just have to clear everything. Here. So after clearing, I just paste it there. That means 52.68 USDT. That's what I'll be making. So if I decide that I am going to also sell it at this price, how these people are also selling, that's at 4167. So let me also put it on that mode, 11668. Right, that means we're making around 3.82 USDT. So after finding this, now we know that if we sell it to the market or the limit order, we are going to make more profit because the coin is in a negative zone. It's currently in a highly negative zone, which means there's a probability that the coin will increase. Yeah, the coin will increase in price. So now we have to go to the other platform and check if we can do withdrawal, right? So these are where the mistakes normally comes from. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So this is the coin. So GX, we are looking at it if we can withdraw. You can see that on this platform it's on Matic network. Okay, so take note of this very well. It's on Matic Polygon network. So when you check it, that means the fees is even less, and it will take like 1 minute to arrive. So let's go back to the other platform. Remember that this is where we are going to buy the coin from. So we are going to sell it on this platform. So on this platform, we're going to check if we can deposit. So we click on the deposit mode. So after clicking on the deposit mode, we have to select, this is the coin, which is the green coin. Wow. So you can see on this network or exchange too, the address, it was listed on Ethereum, right? It was listed on Ethereum. Then when we go back to the other platform, to this platform, let me do it again. This is a redraw, that's GX, redraw on the GX. So, and it is on what we call the Polygon network, and then it's on Ethereum network on this platform, which means if we withdraw the money, is the same coin that we are currently trading, but different exchanges or network address. So in this case, if you make mistake, then you do this arbitrage thinking that you are going to make profit. it may go, but you may not be able to sell it, or the coin may vanish. Some of these platforms, they have pilot, so it may go to the piloting side and it will be there. You cannot redraw it. If care is not taken, it may vanish totally. So this is one of the things that I want to show you, so that you don't make mistake of this, you don't repeat, or you don't try this. You always have to look into it. You always have to take care, make sure that the addresses are the same. Then the next thing you should do, now that I have used this coin to finalize this deposit and withdrawal network issues, now the next thing you should consider is the fees. Okay, you also have to consider fees when you are withdrawing. How much are they deducting, and then how much will you make as a profit? Then you compare both. So during the comparison, you will get to know whether you make profit or you not make profit. If you not make profit, you have to leave the coin and then take another coin. Then you do the research again. Then probably you may find the arbitrage trading strategy, or a coin that is having arbitrage. So, and then the time that it will take to also arrive is one of the important things that you should know. Okay, so let me show you that one too. Let me show you the amounts, the timing system. I have another coin, so let me just go and show it to you fast, so that you will know that there are mistakes in this arbitrage trading, and there are things that you shouldn't tamper with. Okay, you can see that this coin is currently selling high on this platform. Let me go to this and then let's search for its PSL. Okay, and on this platform it's currently at a lower price. So let's see, we are buying $100. Let me buy $100 and then go and sell it on the other platform. So when I buy my $100 and I sell it, which means I will be making around 111 USDT, almost closer to 12 USDT, if I do this arbitrage. But the funny thing here, let's go and check the deposit method, or the deposit time into this platform. Okay, let's check. So I want to deposit. Okay, I bought it cheaper at that price, at that coin. I want to deposit. How many minutes will it take to arrive here? Just look at this. It will take 245 minutes to arrive at this coin, which is more than 3 hours. 3 to 4 hours. And arbitrage trading opportunities doesn't last for long. Within a twinkle of an eye, it can change. So with this, are you still going to do this arbitrage? Then hey, remember that you will not make anything, because within 4 hours the price will already be changed. Let's go back to this platform and let me show you something. If you let's withdraw from this platform, we are going to withdraw, right? So we click on withdraw PSL, and then after PSL, let's see the same network. That is 41 minutes. It will also take 41 minutes to get executed. 41 minutes. So when you add this 41 minutes to the 245 minutes, it's closer to 4 to 5 hours before just one trade will be executed. You see that? So if you are not lucky and takes that 4 hours, and the price of the coins changes, that means you have lost. You may run lost. So this is the mistakes that I always talk about whenever I do a video about crypto arbitrage trading. I hope you have learned a lot today. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time returning to watch more of my videos. Thank you very much.